if I give you a period of 5, 10, 15, or 20 years to pay for a house which we will build for you, are you sure you are willing to build a house? Now, this is something we've personally decided to at least assist Ghanaians with, and this is why we are doing that. So the average Ghanaian doesn't really have much money to build a house, especially because when we look at the average salary in Ghana, it's quite low, which makes building a house very difficult. So most people end up choosing purchasing over even building, which is also equally expensive. So we decided to come up with this concept whereby we build a house for you on your personal land, which is supposed to be titled. Then we pay us over a period of 5, 10, 15, or 20 years. So just let me know if you're interested. And when I say we are building a house for you, I mean nice houses similar to the one behind me. So let me show you around so that you know what I'm talking about. So right behind me, you can see we have beautiful houses. So on my left and on my right, we have beautiful houses. So these are the type of houses I'm talking about, not some funny looking house or any, something that doesn't look standard. Now I've explained the basics to you, so I think I have to let you guys know the requirements needed. Let's see if you qualify or not. So the requirements, first of all, we have to make sure you are a salaried earner. Secondly, you are supposed to have a business. So if it's either you have a business or registered business, or you are a salaried worker, so one of them can work, and you have to also make sure that your salary is enough, because if your salary is not enough, it becomes a bit difficult to finance you. Now once we check all these two, we make sure also that your specific land has title, because we don't want a situation where we build a house for you and then payments becomes a problem. Secondly, we have litigation issues due to wrong documents, or maybe your land hasn't been documented. I believe you guys can testify how these things happen, especially in Ghana. Let me take a tour through at least one of the property right behind me, just for you guys to see, have a fair idea how the inside looks. So I think we choose this specific one that's around right behind me. Let's go inside and then I'll show you the ins and outs of this property. And don't forget, if you are willing to build a house and then spread the payment over a period of 5, 10, 15, or 20 years, just hit me up and then we proceed from there. The inside looks. This specific one I'm about to take you through is currently available for rent. So if you're looking to rent too, it's fine. So let's just first check the basement or the ground floor, and then we'll go upstairs, check the kitchen and all that. So let me first show you. So let's look at this. Is first of all, let me zoom out a bit so that you guys have a fair idea. This is how the living room area is. It has its own AC. You have big windows here bringing in ton of natural light into the property. Then you have your security door here. Then this stairs leads to the first floor. Over here we have your visitors washroom, so you don't have to share anything with your visitors. Then let me show you the kitchen too. So this is a kitchen. Currently we do a little bit of cleaning just so that everything looks organized and really nice. So you have a little kitchen island here. Of course, you have your stove, you have your extractor at the top, you have microwave here, you have your sink, and then you have a washing machine here. Of course, we'll be putting fridge too here for you, so just in case you are interested. Now let's go to the top floor for you guys to also see. Of course, we have window here and then window 2 at the top, bringing in enough natural light into the property. This property was completed not so long ago, so some of the things are supposed to be clean. Now let me show you the first bedroom, which is over here. You have your walk-in closet here, you have your washroom. Let me show you the washroom. So this is the washroom. This is how clean the washroom is. Then I'll show you the rest of the rooms. So we have the second room here too, which is equally clean. It comes with AC and all that. Then we have the master bedroom here, also AC, big windows, and then you have walk-in closet as well as its own washroom, which is this. So if you're looking to build a house especially, and then pay over a period of 5, 10, 15, or 20 years, just hit me up, because this is something you are trying to bring to the market. Also, if you're looking to buy a house and then pay with especially mortgage, or pay over a period of time, just let me know. I'll make sure to leave my details in the description below. Don't forget, even if let's say you have a house and you're willing to do a bit of renovation, you're willing to do some kitchen changes, you are willing to do other stuff, just let me know. I'll make sure to leave also my details in the description below. So till next time, peace.